that is an admission of guilt. Your thief long time. Anyway, folks, before the laptops and the smartphones and the iPads, there was something called outside. Outside. Shocking, right? Outdoors. And in the great outdoors, children would play physical games. That's like mind-blowing. Anyway, we're going to take a trip down memory lane with the original games that got us bonding back in the day. And we're going to start with, well, welcome Yannick first. Hi, Yan.
Dandy Shandy.
We're going to start with Dandy Shandy.
This is Yannick.
So you're going to go in the circle.
Cock up is a 10 and tips is a out?
Yeah.
What? Cock up?
Cock up is a 10. So if you cock up and the ball go through your foot,
What you mean
you
by
get 10
cock?
points.
This man in
And
TV.
tips,
What you talking about cock
and
up?
tips, if
Yes,
it just barely, you're still out. And this is a soak.
What? You can't stay so close.
I was just familiarizing
Thank
you
you.
with the
So you can't
terms.
stay so close. Wait
All right,
now.
ready?
Wait now. Wait now.
Get him, Yan!
Yeah, man. I want to mash up the place. I want to mash up the place. Which part I'm tired?
Go back into the... Oh,
You're out.
Which part I'm tired? I don't understand.
that wasn't even intentional. No, but you want more? Come on.
My turn. Here. You're out.
That me a try though.
Ready?
You out.
No,
You're out.
Start your clock.
Come. No, never been like. Go
Don't do that.
Never know. Go back. You're back. That's cheating.
You cheat. That don't
You're
fair.
out.
That don't
Oh, I
count.
think it's your turn. Just hit him back.
What?
Back.
Well, no man.
You
No
mustn't hit a
man.
lady. You mustn't hit a lady. You think he's here? Oh my God!
Go on.
That's so unkind.
Exactly.
Why
Okay,
does
fine.
Harry take such a job? All right, let's done Danny Shandy. Cree. No, you mash up somebody. Cree now? Cree. Next game.
You know, say crazy.
Next game.
Aye. Where's the next
Next game.
game? Well, we can't play marbles and this. The marbles are going to just roll all over the place.
No.
So tell them what you used to do as a child with the marbles.
You can't mark the people on the floor. Yeah, man. Next game.
No, come on,
All right,
let's
come.
try.
Chinese skip.
Wait a
Chinese
minute.
what?
How marbles go? Somebody tell me.
It went roll all over.
What you do? Set up all of them?
No. We're going to share
A
it.
couple?
Yeah.
And you go so. Look, I show you how you do the marble thing. You put on the marble thing so. And you stay so.
And you try.
And I miss.
I don't think that's what you're supposed to do.
Yeah.
No, you're supposed to take out 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 for you. 4 for me.
And then do what?
And 4 for you.
And
then
do what?
All right, so you're going to take out.
I know some me play marble.
No, listen. You take out. I'm going to put my 2. You can put any amount there.
Yeah.
So
put
you have to
my
put it in the circle.
No, not with urns.
Yes.
In the circles?
Yeah, right here.
Oh. Them pretty me just used to collect up them in
Alright.
school because them just fit
So-
boxes.
You circle there.
If you did that,
Are you trying to
all these become mine.
hit them
all
out?
these, yeah.
How you
Yeah.
get
The
one
ones
of
that
them a
eat
while ago, Yanni?
Because you just flick your hand.
No, but how you get to pick up all of them?
Because then
come.
becomes mine.
Never try man you out yourself for
What
that.
is this?
That's the point. You just wait for some
Chinese
professional
skip, so-
advice.
What is this now?
Put it over. Come
What is
see.
name? Only take up the
It's
marble
Chinese
because
skip.
somebody will step on one.
Chinese skip, which I cannot play either in these
Bring it
pants or
down.
these
Wait
heels.
to your ankle. Ankle.
Shankle, my ankle.
How will you do?
And then you step. It's a routine.
Alright.
What's you do?
Wait a minute. Never
Ready?
put it down.
So
Never. Your
in,
ankle is up there. That's not your ankle.
on the line,
Higher.
slip off.
Wait.
So it mustn't be high. What? It must
down.
be there?
Yeah.
It must be
Show me
even.
again, Jan. Go back in the middle.
Okay. You see,
You have to take
because
off your shoes.
yes, because I want to get it right.
Then what is my story? Look,
So-
Nev, you jump
In, on the line, slip
out,
off,
inside.
out, crisscross.
You leave out something.
What
You're
did I
supposed to
leave
jump
out?
over, out.
Come over here.
out,
Come over here.
then
Come over here.
crisscross.
Come over here.
Okay, fine.
Let me show you what I want. This is. I've never done this in my life. Aubrey start laugh already. Where you say now? In,
Jump.
on the line,
Go back
out.
out and jump in. So jump in.
And you said no. So it's what?
I just follow Yanni.
So.
Jump on the line, slip off.
Oh!
Professional.
Oh, what?
What else? What else? What else? What else?
Jump back out.
Oh, but come back out now.
No, we must jump back out. Crisscross now.
Start over. Wait,
Chris, start over.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, in, on the line, out, in, out.
Crisscross. No!
Wait, no. So. No, so.
No.
Oh.
Actually, you're supposed to jump. Go back over the other side.
Exactly.
So jump over and then jump out of it. And then come over and jump
You
over.
mean,
And then
you mean jump with it
this
so?
way.
Yes.
Turn
So
around,
put in
so. Put your foot underneath there.
Let me know
Turn,
underneath. And so?
turn this way. Turn to the Feel Good Friday side.
Oh, so?
And jump over.
All the way over?
Yes, use this one and jump over that one.
So?
Then
Mercy.
crisscross.
No,
I'm confused.
that's not what I meant.
What you mean?
Jody, can you come and
You
Joe,
do
come
it.
in? Come here, Joe.
Oh, she can't do it.
Come in, Joe. Come on,
Ah,
hold the
you
last
do
kit.
it,
Come on,
Anshu.
hold the last kit.
Come
Come on,
and
hold the last
basket.
kit.
No, you can't do it.
Come on, hold the last kit.
I am not going to allow you to do it. Don't me. Never bad Peter.
Come on, hold the last kit. Jeez.
Come. You come out now.
Wait, let I give you it.
You do that for smile.
You're supposed to jump over it like so. I can't
See,
jump
take
in
off
these
your
shoes.
See me going to hurt yourself. You shouldn't do this. And then your pants going to make you trip.
Possibly.
You're going to drop.
But if I had a shame tree, that would be a problem. But seeing that I don't. So you jump in like so. So. And then you jump over. So.
Oh.
But it's supposed to be inside.
That's not what you said.
And then you go over. And then out. And then you go over. So.
Crisscross.
So. And you go
And then flip out.
out. In.
Out.
Out.
I prefer my way. I prefer my way.
Come.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
I just gave you a full tutorial. Go on.
All right. So,
Underline.
so, right?
No.
No, that's what you
In
do.
on the line, slip off.
In, on the line.
Slip off.
Out.
So,
In.
Jump.
in,
Out together.
out, or out together. And then we go so.
Okay.
And then we go
No,
so.
me give up. Me give up because no, you ain't too tough. You ain't
Not
too tough.
getting it.
You ain't
Where's the next game?
Pass by the dandy shandy there.
Whenever I hear me say I'm tired, man. What's the next game?
Dandy shandy.
No.
Actually,
What
we're
can
done.
you do? Push it like a little fella.
Oh,
What can you do? What?
So.
what can you do? Punching at a little fella.
So you're
Come in
gonna
the
do
middle. You have to
circle.
come in the middle.
I don't know that.
What can you do? Punching at a little.
I just feel you're going to lick me.
No.
Yeah.
You have to do something,
And then we
can
do
do
it
it too.
Oh, I have to do something.
Yeah.
follow,
Ready?
yeah.
3, 4. What can you do? Punching at a little fella.
What?
Can you do? Punching at a little fella. We can do it too. Punching at a little fella. We can do it too. Punching at a little fella. Okay.
Okay. No.
I'm done with it. I cannot with you anymore.
But
I'm
me
done.
All right, ready. We can do it.
No, I'm not. No. Come, we have to come out of the circle now. You ain't come in. Who's
Let's just
coming
say
next?
next game.
Punching at a little fella. Who's coming next? Punching at a little fella. What can you do? Everybody knows a crack.
Next game.
Okay.
What's the next one now?
Rocking in the treetop, but we need somebody else.
What is Rocking Rabbit?
Come land
Oh,
this fool.
tweet.
Come. Tweet, and away we go. So rocking in the treetop all the day long.
Yeah.
Come.
This is laundry, by the way. You can't turn me back to tea. So what I must do now?
Wait.
So you have to, who's your partner? Who's you going to first? Rocking in the tree. Rocking in the treetop all the day. When they go low, we go high, as Michelle Obama would say. Ready? Rocking in the treetop all the day long. One more time. Rocking in the treetop.
Yes. And wait.
You're such a new partner. Oh, see there?
No, she said dance too. All right, come. Yeah.
So Ricky, bye. And spin.
Hey, tell Coach to shut up the mouth.
Have to go break. Break now.
Tell Yannick to do what? Clap, clap, clap.
You know, said none on the don't good.
Of course.
Ladies and gentlemen, if I were to explain to you what is going on right now, you would not believe me. So instead, I'm not going to tell you. I'm just going to go to break. Stay
right,
with us. I'm going to step in the world of what? Animation after the break. Of course, you need Jesus, all his disciples, everybody else in the Bible need to help you. Thanks, Jan.
Yannick. Yes.
Only too terrible. Terrible. Give me shoes. Terrible, terrible, terrible. I don't need to hear, I know.
Oh my God. Which part are tired in the Rwanda? I don't know, you must be tired, man.